Hi everyone, Drini here, and welcome to my channel. So in our last post-crash update, we are going to cover the Star Atlas tokens, POLIS and Atlas, as well as CGG. And let's dive in. So looking at POLIS on a daily time frame, we may have to abort our subsequent launch. Why is that? That is because historically, when POLIS breaks structure to the downside, if it belows our EMAs, it typically follows through. So it has done that multiple times now when it has broken right here. Look at where it has followed through. It has broken here, bounced back quickly, but eventually when it fell back again, it really does hover around these areas for a while before continuation to the upside. On a 4 hourly time frame, the most bullish thing that can happen with Polis is do expect that the EMAs will probably be going down right here while we crab along this particular price range. Basically, the bullish thing that we want to happen is we want it to just stay here, wait for the EMAs to catch up with it so that when we try to rally back up, then it's an easier mountain to climb before our continuation to the upside. So for Atlas, it's pretty much the same structure. We have broken down on a daily time frame and we are below the EMAs right now. So expect the struggle to go back up for a while before our continuation to the upside. Based on its recent history, once again, similar to Polis, we may hang out here for a while because the last time we did break structure, we were there for a bit. Looking at it at the 4 hourly time frame, this is what I was mentioning earlier about you don't really want to really try to overtake the EMAs at the moment because that's very hard to do. And when you get rejected, you really fall back down to where you came from. So the best thing for Atlas is similar to our bullish scenario for Polis. You actually want Atlas to just hang around here. Wait for the EMAs to come back down so that it's much easier to overcome, backtest it as support before continuation to our eventual destination. And let's move on. So finally for Chain Guardians, once again, Chain Guardians really appears to be all over the place and there's a reason for that. It really does not adhere to structures. So it doesn't respect them. What do I mean by that? When it comes to the EMAs, it doesn't really respect the 21 EMA. It doesn't also respect the 55 EMA. So it really goes where it pleases. The way you really play around with CHG is you really have to map out your support and resistance levels, not based on the EMAs. It's also not even based on Fibonacci. I've already checked. In our last update, we did mention that we have identified a lot of support areas right here. So given the recent dump, let's see where THG eventually wicked to. It eventually wicked to this particular support level of $1.34. Moving forward for THG, we shall see. Because once again, what you don't want to happen is you don't really want to do this. You don't want an attempt to really try to break through the EMAs because if you get rejected, you are going back down and you have to reset once again. The best case for THG is maybe you hang around here for a while, form a double bottom right here, maybe even get rejected, just really hang around here. You want to wait for the EMAs to come down right here so that when we go back up, we back test it as support and we continue our structures. If you like my video, hit like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, let me know what you think in the comments. If you also have other gaming cryptos that you would like me to look at, just leave it down in the comments below and I'll take a look at it in the future. Until then, take care everyone. Bye bye.